In this tutorial, you will learn how to upgrade firmware on the InCommand Go display. This ensures you have all the latest features and enhancements to get the most of your Ag Leader investments. There are 3 methods to be able to update your display firmware. Option 1 is the automatic firmware update that will download the firmware directly to the InCommand Go display via Agfinity. To use the automatic firmware updates, you will need an internet connection and to be logged into a free Agfinity account. When a newer firmware becomes available, you will get a prompt that the firmware is ready for download. If you do not get an automatic firmware upgrade prompt, you will need to verify the automatically check for upgrades is checked. To do that, tap Setup, and then tap Console Setup, and finally tap Firmware. At the bottom of the screen, it will show when the system was last checked for upgrades and if automatically check for upgrades is checked. Option 2 is to manually check for updates. Tap Menu in the upper left corner and then tap Data Transfer. Verify you are connected to a Wi-Fi network and logged into Agfinity. Tap Check for Upgrades. The display will show any available upgrades for your display. Tap the green check to begin the download. The firmware will begin to download. The display will automatically restart once the update is complete. Option 3 is to download the firmware on a computer and transfer to the display via a USB drive. To begin the process, download the firmware upgrade from the Ag Leader Knowledgebase to a USB drive. Put the USB drive into your display and tap Menu in the upper left corner. Tap Data Transfer and then tap Upgrade Firmware. Select the correct firmware from the USB and then tap the green check. And then tap the green check to begin installing the firmware. Now you will be able to upgrade firmware on the InCommand Go display. For more information on the setup and settings, please refer to the operator's manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.